Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Jessica Renee. Today I'm going to do my holiday Sephora haul, kind of like a try on haul. There's a few things in here that I can actually put on today. I have already completed my brows and primed my eyelids. I didn't purchase any eyeshadow, so no, I don't have that. But I do have a few small things that I can try on for you guys. So if you would like to see what I purchased in my holiday VIB sale, just keep on watching. Okay, here I have my little box. Let's just get all the goods out. Okay, first item I purchased is the Leneige Kiss Me at Midnight lip sleeping mask. So I really been wanting to try this. I see a lot of people use this right before they do their makeup tutorials, but it is meant to be at night sleeping mask. Let me just refer to my phone because I don't have any of this information. Okay, this limited edition kit, it is for holiday. It does retail for $28. It comes with one full-size original lip sleeping mask as well as 2 limited edition flavors. Aww. The sweet candy in here is limited edition. I wonder if they sell it as a full size because that's really the one that I wanted. But as far as Sephora's website, it says this is a sweet midnight treat for your lips. Indulge yourself in this lip sleeping mask trio featuring 2 limited edition flavors. So it's meant for normal, dry, combination, and oily. I don't know what that has to do with your skin because this is for your lips, but I guess you can have dry, oily combination lips. I don't know. But anyway, let's try this. I am going to apply one of them prior to my makeup. Okay, the full size the net weight of it is 0.70 ounces or 20 grams. The 2 mini sizes are 0.10 ounces or only 3 grams. So I'll just go ahead and try out the one that's sweet candy. Okay, it does taste good and it is really moisturizing. I don't see how this would stay on my lips at night, so I'm not sure if I'll use it at night. I may just use it before I do my makeup, but it is really moisturizing. I just don't see it staying on my lips all night, but pretty nice. Okay, the next item that I have is just kind of like a sample. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I got this free. I wanted to try this foundation out. The full size does retail for $44. There wasn't many of the free samples to choose from. The only one they had available that was maybe close to my skin tone was 10 neutral, and I think I needed 10 warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and use it as my foundation today. So hopefully I can make it work. But as far as the website, it's supposed to be a long-lasting, weightless, hybrid skincare foundation. Charlotte's secret to a flawless, poreless looking, confident complexion. So I want to try this out. I know that it's going to be too light for me. But here is how it comes. Cute little container. It's just hard. It's just hard plastic. I'm not sure if the real size is plastic or glass, but this sample size is just a hard plastic. So let me just go ahead and I'll just prime my skin with my Milk makeup. Okay, first let me take these earrings out because they are going to be in the way, just like my stupid hair is right now. This mini size does come with a little pump, and then I'm just going to squirt it on the back of my hand. Oh yeah. I think that's pretty light, but I'm sure that I can make it work. Oh yeah, it's light, but it's not that bad. Oh, it does feel good. I probably can get a bunch of uses out of this little sample size. Okay, let me just try to... Oh, it's not that bad once it gets blended into my skin. It does smell really good. It has like a, I can't describe the smell, but it has like a really light, faint smell. But it smells good. It's not too strong. Oh, it doesn't look bad at all. Oh my goodness, I love this foundation. Oh my goodness. Yes, I actually love this foundation. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a simple eyeshadow look. I'm going to also put on my mascara and then maybe go ahead and conceal because I did not purchase any new concealer or any new eyeshadow. So I'll just do that and I will be right back. Okay, I am back and my eyeshadow on this eye may look a total mess because I got mascara on it, but that's okay. So the next item on my list is the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. I told you before, I am really scared of powder. I try not to use too much because I feel like I have very dry under eyes to me, and I feel like when I use powder it kind of shows my texture. So I went with this one because it is said that it's supposed to hydrate your skin. It's supposed to have hyaluronic acid in it. Demi matte setting powder that hydrates, smooths, blurs, and perfects for a flawless finish without looking cakey or leaving your skin dry. This powder does retail for $30. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 choices to choose from. I think it goes from fair, light, medium, tan, dark, and deep, but I went on ahead and went with the medium because after reading so many reviews, they were saying that the powder was extra dark and it was said to change the color of your foundation, so I don't want that to happen. Yeah, it does say it has hyaluronic acid. It works by binding and holding onto moisture to naturally hydrate your skin. All kind of different stuff, vitamin E, all kind of. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like. I really hope that it matches. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. Oh, okay. I promise it looks lighter on camera. It is darker than this in person, but I put concealer on, so I'm just gonna try to see, can I just set a little bit? I'm just gonna take this Kat Von D powder brush, just kind of go into it. I'm really scared. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow, I don't feel like it's changing and making my under eyes darker. Oh wow, y'all, totally blurred. Wow, what pores? Oh wow. This works better than loose setting powder. Oh my goodness. It has blurred my pores so good, or blurred. I can't say that word. Oh wow. Oh wow. I like it. And I don't usually like to really heavy set underneath my eyes, but with this, I feel like it'll be fine. Let me just do my smile lines. And not very much. Well, it is kind of a little powdery as you, oh, okay, I see it now. But I'm so glad I went with the medium. Oh wow, did I just find a new favorite setting powder? I'm so excited. Okay, Jouer, I like that. So the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate Setting Powder. So if you like pressed powder, or even if you don't like pressed powder, try this. Yes, try this. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna go off camera, finish the rest of my makeup because I do have something. I have 2 more items that I need to show, but I'll just go ahead and bronze up my skin and I'll be right back. Okay, so next item I have in my Sephora haul is the Cover FX. This is the Monochromatic Matte Plus Shimmer Blush Duo. This is probably the item that I wanted the most. So I did get the color Spice Cinnamon. It does retail for $38 bucks. Let's just go ahead and open it up. Y'all, I was so excited about this blush, but I am so happy about my makeup today. Like, that powder so far is my favorite. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to keep using that powder. But here is the packaging for the Cover FX blush. Oh, so I did get the color, like I said, what did I get? Spice Cinnamon. It is kind of like a terracotta flush. Beautiful. So let me take off this little, it does have a little protector on the mirror. Okay, so this is a richly pigmented talc-free blush palette featuring a duo of matte and shimmer shades for a multi-dimensional finish. Okay, so this product is vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's also gluten-free. This is a clean item at Sephora, so I don't know if you can see that, but at Sephora it is one of the clean items, I guess because it's vegan and all that different stuff. But I'm so excited to try this blush, so let's just go ahead. I don't think that this is a highlighter. I think it's more of like kind of like a blush topper, and maybe on deeper skin tones it may work good as a highlighter, but for me, I'm not sure. So let me find my blush brush. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to try out the matte. Oh, it is so pigmented, so be careful. Probably should like, it does have the tiniest bit of kick up when you dip your brush into it. That lets you know that it's really, really pigmented, so I'm scared. Oh, I probably can use it on both sides. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh yes, a lot comes off, so be very careful. Oh my goodness, but it is so pretty. Let me just take my powder brush and kind of go over it. Oh my goodness, I love this blush. Oh, very pretty. Okay, so I'm interested to see what the topper side does. So let me find, I'm just gonna use my little Morphe fan brush and just kind of use it as a highlight. Let me see. First, let me swatch it. Oh, that is so pretty. So it's not glittery at all. So I think this would work better as a topper and not a highlight on me at all. But here, oh, and the actual blush is so buttery. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, I am super excited. So still, I'm going to use my fan brush and just kind of, oh wow, that gave like the prettiest, just most subtle or subtle. Y'all know I can't talk. Oh wow, so pretty. Okay, and then I won't even need a highlight with this. I'm just gonna wear this today. I am so happy with my makeup today. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna take it up. Oh yeah. Okay, Cover FX, I like it. Okay, so everything, my foundation sample, the Charlotte Tilbury, the Jouer powder, my Cover FX blush, good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my bottom lash line, put some mascara, I'm gonna set my face, and I'll be right back with my lip products. So now I'm down to the last item that I purchased, so I'm really excited. I got the Fenty Beauty Holiday Gloss Bomb set. This is the Glossy Posse Mini Gloss Bomb set. So it comes in this cute little reusable tin. Oh. And you get 5 mini size gloss bombs. So this is limited edition. It does retail for $42. It's a limited edition collection of 5 mini gloss bomb shades featuring the best-selling Fussy and 4 brand new shades in the ultra giftable keepsake tin. So I'm not gifting this. This is mine. Nobody gets this. But I love Fenty Gloss Bomb. Is one of my favorite high-end glosses. They have 5 shades in here. One is Fussy. This is a current shade. None of the other ones come in full size, but y'all, I'm so excited about this chocolate shade. So nice. But I'll go ahead and swatch them for you in case you've never seen them. So that's Fussy. There's Pretty Please. So this is Confetti. Here is this chocolate shade. This is like a pretty brown neutral with some purple reflex in it. It is so nice. Oh, and this one is called chocolate. It's hot chocolate. So there's hot chocolate. This last one is called cheeky, and it's more of like a pinky red. Okay, so that's cheeky. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this NYX Suede matte lip liner. What color is this? Mason, I believe. I'm not sure how that's gonna look. Let me take this Milani. I'm gonna use this Milani in the shade Nude Cream and put it in the middle. Okay, that don't look too bad. Let me just go in with the gloss. Ugh. It kind of goes on transparent. It doesn't give any color to the lip, so that's the reason why I went on ahead and put that lipstick on my lips. And it feels just like the regular formulas of the gloss bombs. Okay, I like that. So I really hope she comes out with a larger size in this one. Hot chocolate, I think it is gonna be my favorite in the whole set. Yeah. Okay guys, so here we are with the finished look. I have to say that I am very excited about the new products that I tried. My favorite has to be this Jouer Hydrating Pressed Setting Powder. I'm so excited about this powder. So you guys, if you're not into powder or you think that it is too dry for your skin, I promise you will like this. Yes. Also the Cover FX blush. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to keep using this. I think I'm gonna go back and get maybe one of the other colors. It is a duo. It comes with the blush and then kind of like a blush topper, or maybe on deeper skin tones it can be used as a highlight. But I love it. Like, I love the way my makeup came out today. Just simple, and I love it. Now my hair, on the other hand, is a bushy mess because it's so humid outside. The weather changes so much. Of course, I told y'all before that I'm from down south, so our weather is horrible. So excuse this bush. But other than that, I am so excited about everything that I have used today. I'm really excited to go back and purchase the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Also, of course, the gloss bombs, they're my jam. So of course, I'm gonna always purchase those. But if you like everything you saw in this video today, go ahead and just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Hopefully they do not have a sale very soon because I'm broke. We are all broke, and then the holidays are coming up. Oh my goodness. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.